So today I'm going to show you how to prepare a prawn. So first you're going to cut off the tip on the head. And next you're going to cut off all the legs. So this technique is more suitable for smaller prawn. So on the second technique is more suitable for larger prawn, as you usually need to cut off all the legs and give it a vertical cut on the head. And now you're going to remove the dirty stuff from the head. Next, we're going to devein the prawn. Bamboo skewer or toothpick, anything sharp and pointy will do the trick. So that's about it. If you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. For any questions, please comment below.